Troy and I are going to work on Ikkyo. This is a technique from Aikido, and it's also called the lifetime technique because this movement, like any movement really, any technique, you're going to be practicing for your whole life. The road is never over. So with this movement, it really teaches your body how to get in line, and it's a fantastic self-defense technique when applied correctly. We have the front and back of every technique in Aikido, Omote, Uda. Okay, we're going to show both. So this is from Troy is jabbing. I have to actually catch him and take his center mid-movement. So I can't let this happen here. I'm too late. Because I'll never get it. It's here. Then I'm going. There's a little bit of a lead off here with the blade of my hand. Now, I don't just go straight into the elbow. He's going to be able to stop it. I go circular. Sorry about that.
No, you're good.
And we're not going to actually go to the pin. We're going to stop before we do the pin, but basically they end
I'm old and brittle.
Well, we got dirty concrete here, everybody. But they're going into the ground, and their arm is here. Rolling it here. Now, we have the wrist here. They're in a very compromised position here.
Absolutely.
This is the front. Omote. Uda is I'm here and rotating this way. And then I'm turning out and bringing them around to the back. He's throwing a jab. If I miss it, big deal. I still have my defense. I'm still trying to beeline on the center line, okay? We're here. And then this entering in, circular motion. Slow, we're here. Here, the hips, my center, everything is connected together, and then I step through.